back. This is the result. Something new to me, something Steve does all the time, is when things didn't turn out quite right, or if he wants to just see what it does, he puts things in the microwave. And this was no different. I said, okay, fine. Okay. He goes, you should just put it in the microwave. It'll dry up some of the stuff. So I decided I'll pour on top of this. This is pretty dry. There's still little squishies, but I don't want to squish them. This is flat here. It's just the stuff that lumped up in the middle. There you go. I don't know if you'll see the texture on that, but anyway, so there's that. We're gonna do. Believe in ya. So we are going to mix some, not water this time. I'm gonna just throw some of my homemade pouring medium in there, which is just various glues, PVA glue, type glue, and yeah, and water. So here is, this time I thinned out the tempera paint with the pouring medium, and in my other videos I go over, I think it's the happy face video. So this is going to be more like a regular pour. I just put drops though instead. This is metallic, so we've moved on to the metallics. See if we can get this to come through.
Set that down a little bit?
No, I did not. You might should.
Yeah, I was thinking about doing it myself.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the thing's actually probably clogged too. It gets clogged.
Oh, I think that's what it is.
Yeah.
I got one drop.
Yeah, it's you're clogged up.
I got 2 drops.
It might come blazing out of there. Here, see if this will work. Wait, right here. There's a little skinny screwdriver. Tiny one. Look at that.
Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's that. And then what? Oh, yeah. We get to play with turpentine. Yep. Not getting it in the cup. This doesn't come out all that well. Did you widen that thing?
You didn't love it very well. No? So you didn't hear no love, so I said, oh, okay, fine.
I think it's been loved very well from you. It looked like the nozzle has been opened up quite a bit. Okay, so this is alcohol. And I'm going to bring you down.
You're not going to do alcohol ink in there? Or no?
And, oh, yeah.
And
crap.
Chinese oil?
Oh, I'm missing a whole thing. I'm missing a whole thing. Yeah.
That's what I was thinking. Wait a minute.
Oh, shoot, you guys. I'm going to make you dizzy.
What are you doing?
I'm messing up bad. Hang on. Pause again. I hope that has a much better view for you guys. And now this is Mermaid Ranger alcohol ink, 1 drop. That one everywhere. And I think that's the most I'm going to do because it went everywhere. Whereas before, when I added it before I added the turpentine,
yeah,
it stayed in one general area.
You've already added the turpentine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember, I jumped ahead of myself.
All right. Oops. Maybe you found a better way. It's like how I put my sound pieces together makes a difference. I find out too, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Pedals and stuff, which order they go in make differences. So
yeah, that's
maybe
true.
you're finding a better way.
I don't know, maybe. All right. Now for the Chinese ink. Huh?
Nothing yet?
Didn't spread out a whole lot, but it's really thick. Oh, that's thick?
A little bit. Thicker, thick still.
Oh. Okay, oh, there's an alcohol drip. What am I forgetting?
I don't know.
Gold! Did I do gold? No, I did
Yeah,
gold.
Did you see?
Where'd my skewer
I
go?
don't bite.
I don't know where my skewer is. Oh, there it is. There. Oh, darn it. Okay, I'm just gonna go like this because of the silicone, right? And the stuff. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then here is the thing.
Okay.
And I'm gonna do the flip trick thing.
Maybe not. Maybe it already did fall all out. I thought it was going to stick to the bottom of the cup. Maybe not.
And maybe I'm gonna
Yeah.
do this instead. I'm gonna pour some of this around
Right out of the jug?
right out of the jug.
Crazy girl.
Ah, you're crazy.
No, you're crazy. Oh my gosh. Glad I told you to get a box.
Well, I just
okay.
want
I thought
to.
it
I
was
just
going to splash. No, there it is.
no.
Oh
I
my
have
God.
I have a little net filter thingy on it. I just want to give it something because this is gonna dry clear. You know, it's the pouring medium. It's not a color because we already have all the black and the gold down, and I actually may do some gold right now.
Give me right now.
Hmm.
That was pretty tight looking today, wasn't it?
It was
That'd be a perfect thing to stick it in, I bet you.
something like that. Because there's so much texture out here, I'm hoping that these drops will, you know, flow out
Yeah.
into the mix.
That stuff, it's thin, it flows. It will flow.
It will flow. Right, so everything's
It's
slid down the cup, and no drum roll, Steve-O?
I don't have.
3, 2. I love you. All right, boom,
Yep. Oh, almost had a boom crash over here.
boom, crash.
We gotta go.
And you know what else we have?
What?
A heat gun.
Yeah, right.
Right
Plugged
by
in, ready
me,
to roll right
plugged
now.
in
It's
and
on deck.
going, and so I just have to.
Switching back.
That really moves. It really moves it. A little bit. This really isn't doing what I want it to do. Maybe, huh? I don't know. Why not? Because we can. Well, that's interesting.
What?
Did you see that?
I did not.
It's reacting
that's
with the
cool.
rest of the stuff.
That's nice looking.
Yeah. Oh, it's like sinking.
It's like an alien.
Yeah. And it's doing other things over here too. All those cells that are coming in and out.
Better be careful. Might want to get back. Might come flying out of there.
The alien?
I don't know.
Oh, wow.
Be crazy
That
if
is
something like that happened
so
today.
interesting. That is so interesting. I don't know. Here.
Almost. That looks neat, like a looks like a what you call it, oyster shell. From here?
I see that. You know
Yeah.
what's happening?
No.
Not picking it up on the camera.
Well, it looks
And
good.
this is crazy. Look at
Well,
that.
You know, they should buy tickets. Come here in person. See?
I want that to go
That's
over
totally
here.
look like an oyster shell, big time.
Yeah.
That's awesome. 'Cause I was just looking at the oyster shell out in the front porch the other day, thinking we need to do
Oyster
something like
shell.
that, and there you did it.
The abalone.
Abalone, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, oyster shell. Oops. Anyway, yeah.
That's all right. Because remember, that white is going to dry clear.
Oh. Right. I'll let mine rip. There we go. Slowing over the top of the ring here. There we go. Gonna get out here. Uh-oh. Shit.
Oh, shoot.
Okay.
That alcohol ink kind of stayed together right there. Do you see this line?
Yeah. What color was that?
It was the citrus.
Citrus?
This green citrus.
Trippy. I haven't seen that one yet. Is that got metallic in it or something? I see sparklies coming out of it.
What?
Of your citrus.
No, it's got metallic all over in the stuff.
Oh.
Turn the light off. And I'm hoping that this will
Ooh.
pick up.
Beautiful. That's bad. That's probably the best one yet.
Wow.
Awesome, baby.
Thank you. Oh, I can't wait for this to dry.
That looks cool.
It does. And I don't know how I can try to get these colors to show up on the camera. But they're like translucent as well. Oh my gosh. It's going to be really difficult, so hard not to mess with this, but I'm going to give it my best shot. So, I think I'll post the video, and then I'll post an update with all the dried ones that we have. I don't think I've been doing that, so we'll do a, what is it, a montage of the, I think that's the right word. Yeah, of all the dried projects. Okay, we'll see you later. Art on. Oh, what did I do? Anyway, art on, guys.
Yeah. Art right on.
Right on my art.